Thank you for selecting Hard Chrome Solution for the repair and service upgrades of your Lystritz extruder gearbox. We offer 24-hour emergency repairs for all sizes and models in various industries. Our extensive inventory of major parts allows us to provide the fastest turnaround time, ensuring your repairs are completed within 24 hours if necessary. Once your Lystritz gearbox is received at our facility, we perform a comprehensive process that includes disassembling, cleaning, inspecting, and measuring all gears and shafts. Our expert team assesses the condition of the gears and shafts. We possess the expertise and capabilities to manufacture brand new gears and shafts of various types, including helical, double helical, herringbone, split herringbone, bevel, spiral bevel, spur gears, ring gears, eternal ring gears, rack and pinion, worm gears, double enveloping worm gears, hypoid gears, screw gears, and more. We subject your Lystritz gearbox to a rigorous multi-hour test run to ensure it meets our stringent standards for overheating, vibration, and leakage. This thorough testing is part of our commitment to providing you with a 24-month guarantee on the repaired gearbox from the day of installation. By choosing Hard Chrome Solution, you can save a significant amount of money compared to purchasing a new Lystritz gearbox while still receiving exceptional repair and rebuilding services. With our experienced staff of over 100 years, we prioritize your call and aim to provide same-day assistance. We offer free inspections, quotes, and return services, along with laser alignment, borescoping, and vibration testing to identify root causes of failures. Our team is committed to enhancing performance, power, and torque with every repair. We stand behind our work with a 24 to 36-month labor and parts guarantee from the day of installation. Choose Hard Chrome Solution as your preferred service provider, and rest assured that our dedicated team is ready to assist you. Call us now to fulfill your every gearbox-related requirement. Remember to like us, subscribe, and share our videos, and thank you for watching.